stable frame rate, everything seems good. What's up, guys? Yep, we're maintaining 30 frame rate. Let's see if it'll actually load up. Yes. Alright. So, good one. So, hey guys, the Alchemist here. And today I'll be streaming my official Discord.bot GUI. So I have a friend named Crystal. Shout out to Crystal. They are someone I've known for a while, and they've decided to create a base layout of a GUI. And they've asked me to come stream over and officially send it out to you guys. So you guys ask for it, go ahead, join the Discord server, or even talk in the mainstream, but hey. So yeah. 1 second, you guys. Alright. Just give it a second. Hey guys, okay, we're back. So if you guys want to see, we're working on a bot. Let me see. Hey guys. Okay, I guess you guys can see my IP. Oh well. Anyways, I was trying to get it to work, but hey. So let's do this. So if we reload the and all that. Fun, fun, fun. Loading, 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 loading. Okay. Probably. Ooh. You guys want to do some debugging? Let's inspect. Ooh, never mind. We don't have to inspect. Anyways, so it's gonna load up, and voila. So hey, let's just close it because why not? So yeah. So as you guys can see, let me just hide the Discord server real quick. There we go. This is what it looks like. Logged in from Sky Crystal, our amazing bot. So what we can do is we can change servers just like you can usually. In my opinion, it's pretty impressive. So as you guys can see, it takes a little second because of how many members there are. It loads pretty fast, to be honest. So yeah, I see no one is streaming. I mean, watch. Alright. Hey guys. So sorry about that error. Hopefully you guys can see the screen soon. Give it about 2 minutes because of the delay. Alright. What's up, my fabulous unicorns and straight people out there? Alright. There we go. It's working now. Wondrous. So let's just capture my mouse so you guys can see it, because I want to show you guys where I click. Alright. There we go. Oh, we're not going to capture my... Okay. There we go. Alright, perfect. So you can hear me now, Luna? Say Roger, if you can. Alright. So if you have Discord, you can join that server. So what's up, fabulous people? It's good. Yes. Awesome. So as I was saying before. Oh. Guess I gotta stream one of the codes. So I was experimenting with this bot, trying to do discord.js. If you guys want, I can show you a discord.js tutorial, because honestly all the API is a lot of docs and rating. So yeah, I've been coding for please tell 3 are watching. If you're watching, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So yeah. Alright. So let's scroll to the top, shall we? Alright. Can you hear me? I'm just curious if you can hear me, because if you can, that would be awesome. If not, well, oh well. So yeah, let's look, shall we? So as I was saying before, if you guys want, I can start introducing you to the code. If not, just give it about like an hour or so. Is this still lagging? I'm gonna see what's going on, you guys, because it should not lag whatsoever. Huh. Dang. Alright. I need to increase my quality or something. So, be right back, you guys, once again. Sorry about this. Okay. So, output. Alright, there we go. Should be better now. Less FPS, but more stuff for you guys. Woo woo. Alright. Are we live? No. Dang it. Please don't leave me. Alright, guys. So, I know it's bad for you guys, but it should be going on. So, yeah. Let me just pop out the chat so I can see what you guys are saying. Woo woo. Alright. So, anyone who's new to my channel, my name is Arkhan. I've been coding for 3 years now. I started in Python, went on to Java, and now I'm in JavaScript. You can hear me now, right? Please tell me you can hear me. Alright. Do not have chat settings. I swear, guys. Alright. One person's watching. No. Alright. Pop out chat. Here goes. Alright, guys. It might be low for you, but that does not matter because, well, it matters to me, but probably doesn't matter to you guys. So let's see if we can pop this baby out. Let us honestly, like, look at my test manager real quick. What is taking up the most? CPU. Okay, Google Chrome is. Bye. Alright. Stream should be much better now. Awesome. There we go, guys. Right? Yes? Is that better? Okay. Yes, we are live. After 6 minutes of beta testing, we are finally on. Okay. So, for the 5th time today, I am going to tell you guys exactly how this code works, and then if you guys want stuff, join the Discord server, hit me a ping, and then, yeah. So let's see what people say. Alright. If you guys are still out there, please let me know. Stream should be much better now. Alright. You're here. Of course, no watchers. Alright. Well, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what the code is now. So, we start out with Express right here. So, yeah. From there, we go to app, which loads Express, and then HTTP loads the server, and together, those two work together. Next, we have Socket.io, which sends the data from the server.js to the index.html, allowing us to upload our images to the server. So, next, we load up Discord and load up our client. Then here is, so FS is like a file system. I think it's file system and then .write. So we have our channel and our guild, and then our config data is the data that we can edit, which we'll go into here next. So right here is a function that I've created called file write, which you tell it what you want. So for example, you put in config data, it will JSONify this, and then it'll write to the config. So I would show you guys that file, but I'm not giving you guys my token. Next, we use app.get, which would load up our HTML as /. Then we use the directory so that any files that we're looking for, it can find. http.listen80 allows us to listen without having any port, which can be good. So let's start on the actual code. So IO.onConnection allows us to use socket.io to, first of all, load the bot as soon as we connect. From there, on socket.disconnect, it will destroy the bot and say goodbye. So let's start with the things. Socket.config loads the config, which I will show you guys all that goes into the HTML file. Next, we have socket.on input token, so that before, because we had an input token thing, so that I would release this to the public, and instead of having it be a token, you guys could just say, hey, we can put it in config. Okay, so next is socket.input channel and input guild, which allows us to import our stuff. Image list is the images of the guilds, as I showed you guys before. Bot.on ready. Am I going too fast for you? I'm trying to squeeze this as much as possible. Okay, so bot.on ready allows us to do all this stuff as soon as it is ready, because if the bot does not load, then we can't get any of the data. So bot.on ready function, socket.log config. So yeah, socket.log loading up the bot. Then we use socket.images, which sends our images of the guild and then their IDs. And so when we do that, it allows us to input the guild, which will change the ID. Changing the ID then goes into things like the images, the channels, and then from the channels we can edit the messages. Sound good? Alright. So after that, from there, we start by loading up. So if there is a channel ID, then it'll load up channel. If there's a guild ID, it'll load the guild. So after that, so we can load up our guilds by doing bots.guilds.map, which pretty much, I don't know what this is. I think this is dead code now. Yeah, socket.map guilds. So let's just delete that. There you go. See guys? With you guys, we're cleaning up my code. Alright. Are you guys here? Alright. Okay. So if guild, so means if it can find guild, then we can start with the channels. So here we can do some stuff. So before we would emit socket channels, and then so visible, return to true or false. If we can see it, then good. Sendable allows us to send. It tells us if we can send messages or not. Type, c.type, so that we can filter what is text, voice, DM, and category. Name just allows us to have our name, and the ID allows us to have our unique ID. And then for this, the members, we log it onto the side where the members display their name plus their icon, and then guild name is just at the top. And then if channel just allows us to send messages. So on change guild, so anytime we change the guild by clicking one of the guild icons, if ID is not equal to null, so if it's like yeah, then config.data changes to the ID, and then we file.write config data. So then we have to load config again because yeah, so we load guild again. Then we say channel ID. Oh, we can clip this out because we do not need that. See guys, so here is the channel thing again, and then members, same thing, and then guild name, same thing. And socket.on change channel is, so what we do is on the sidebar where it has the channels, this is where it updates. Okay, next we have config.token. Oh, okay. So here we load up the token. It will tell us what it is. But luckily I was able to make it so you guys didn't see that. So it tells you what it is, loading up token, then it logs in and it says loaded token plus config. And if there's no token, they'll tell you you need to put a token in it. Alright. Next is the HTML, which is a little bit of trouble, but we can do this, right guys? I hope so. Alright. So, yeah. So we start with our doc type HTML, which pretty much tells the website it is HTML and not like anything else like PHP. And then we start with our HTML, then we have our head. So we have our title.js bot GUI, and then we load in our style sheet index.css. From body we have our GUI, which displays. So first we have user and channels. So we have the channels, and then we have our user section at the bottom, which is, it displays our icon, which is a little unicorn, no mistake, with the ID avatar. Then we have our username and our discriminator. From there we have our settings little page, which brings us to, yeah, after the settings page we will have, so yeah, so from there what we do is we load up it, and yeah. Sorry guys, my throat is getting a little dry. Anyways, alright, so from here what we do is we unload it. It changes the avatar to whatever your avatar is, your name to whatever your name is, and your discriminator to whatever your discriminator is. And we had a settings page. Next we have guilds. So this displays our guilds, which, as you guys saw before, just on the side. And right now I'm trying to fix the error, but we'll fix it eventually. So next we have our little bar at the bottom, which is going to be about down here. So yeah. From there, what we do is we have a little bar where we can input our text, and then we have a button which allows us to submit it. From there, on the right side, we have members. Members allow us to see who's in the server, and soon I'm going to make a little GUI that is like, oh yeah, their ID is this and that, and then it displays their roles and all that. So it's going to be awesome. Next we have our guild name, which at the top, just about right here, displays their guild name. So now we are in the middle of the page. So we start out with word space, which is like right here. With word space, it just tells us our messages, and I made it the last 20 messages. If you guys want me to change it to like infinite messages, then I will do that. Okay, so now we load up our scripts, and then we start with all the code. So right here we are loading up all our elements and then styling them. So I use a little function, so I guess that like you can get the width, the top, so you can get the top, the width, the height, and the bottom, the right, and the left. And so it just tells you the whole entire thing of where it is. So we start out by doing the go to offset, and then we just do plus px, and then we have go channels width. From there we also do it to user channel, user section, and go name. Then we have send, which is like our button, which is gonna be, oh, interesting. Oh, okay, never mind. I was like, why is it like that? But it's because I personally made it be a square. Anyways, so next we have mid, which is just window minus the guild offset, so this side, plus guild channel, which is right here, plus members, which is right here, whatever space is right here. And then we did that same thing with send text, send button, and yeah. Next we have guild style, go channel, members, and mid, which we just set their heights to boom, 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 and boom. So on here we have our on submits, so anytime you submit a folder, file, then, okay, anytime you submit an input, which what would happen before is they would change it, but I have a whole system, so now don't even think we need that anymore. Oh yeah, socket.io is what allows us to get it from the scripts. So user.load. So this is what I was telling you guys about before, where it loads the user's avatar, username, and discriminator. And then socket on channel message. So any